Welcome back to Raunix. This is Ved Verma from Raunixtech Services, and today we are going to discuss about our latest taxi booking application and website. In previous videos, we have discussed about the application for Android and iOS, but in this video, we are going to discuss about the website features. In this video, we will discuss how users can book a ride by using website, and that feature is available in only 2025 version. So let's start the video. Here you can see our website for taxi. We are using Google Chrome for website, and we are using iPhone 15 Plus for driver application. Okay, so firstly we have to select which type of booking we want to make, instant booking or book later. I am going to select instant booking, and from here we can select taxi or delivery. I am going to continue with the taxi, and then we have to select our pickup and drop location. I am going to select Raunix as a pickup location, and I am going to select drop location as a Jaipur. Here you can see when we select our pickup and drop location, it will show available vehicles. All the vehicles can be controlled from the admin panel, and the prices of the vehicles also can be controlled from the admin panel. So I'm going to continue with the mini and click on make booking. Here you can see booking is successfully placed, and immediately we got a notification in our driver application. So I'm going to accept that booking from our driver application. Here you can see booking is accepted, and the status is searching in our website. So we can make a refresh to the website, and here you can see the status is updated. Now swipe up to arrived, and here you can see status is updated to arrived. Now start the ride. Before start the ride, you must have to take OTP from the rider. So I am going to take the OTP, that is 4087. Continue. Here you can see the ride status is also updated to on trip. Here we can check all of the details like driver information, pickup location, and the drop location, trip status, vehicle types, call options, and tracking on Google Map. Now I am going to complete the booking, and here you can see we have successfully completed our booking with the price details. You can see base price, distance price, time price, and convenience fee. And also you can check all the details in website as well. So confirm the payment and give the ratings and reviews. Like this, you can complete the ride. So this is how we have successfully completed our ride by using website. So if you want to start your own taxi application or website like Ola, Uber, Rapido, or inDriver, then contact us, details showing your screen, and we will see you in next video.